most. But I also wanted to ask Sis Mats, bonus question. Hindi, kasi of course we are moms, right? But she is single, so she doesn't have a family yet. But she is into this business, and I am really I really admire that because not a lot of single women come here kasi us as moms, as parents, we do have dreams for our family, for our kids. Pero single women, 'di ba? How does it look like for you? Like if there is one thing na natutunan mo talaga dito sa business, what is it?
Yung gaya nga ng nasabi ko rin kanina na kailangan marunong kang maghintay kasi kung unang iisipin mo kailangan kang kumita, 'di ba? No. Kasi we have to learn, kaya nga nasabi ko, na kahit alam mo na yung mga pasikot-sikot about the business, about the skills, especially the skills, kung hindi ka marunong maghintay, patience and all this, yung mindset mo nga hindi correct, nonsense din. Kasi ito yung takeaways na natutunan ko is mindset over skills. Yung skills natin is just the 20%, but the mindset is the 80% of the business. Kasi kung puro pera, pera, pera lang ang iisipin mo, it's useless. God will not give it to you right away, right? Or even if God gives it right away, somehow along the way, it something will, hindi talaga siya
Maybe you're not ready for it, right?
yes. So, kahit wala ka nga experience, kung open ka mag-grow, malayo talaga mararating mo. And for me, uh, since nabanggit nyo nga, single pa ako, bata pa ako, and all this, siguro natuto na lang din ako sa mga pagkakamali or sa mga experiences yung let's say ng family ko, ng surroundings ko, and I don't want that to happen to my future family. So that's why I'm preparing for my future. And habang bata pa nga, kasi hindi tayo laging healthy. Health is wealth, right? So kung wala kang health, it's useless. And that's one of the major whys why I dug into this business kasi future, 'di ba? Yung pinaghahanda natin is our future. So even if I don't have my own kids yet, but right, we all agree to that. So even if we have our kids, we still have our aging parents to take
Yeah.
care of, especially as a Filipino. That's like our tradition now to take care of them regardless. So we just need to be prepared financially kasi they're growing old. So they have maintenance, 'di ba? Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin hindi pwede. We just have to be ready. And how to be ready? You just need to prepare. You just need to prepare along that. So, yeah.